Ooh, these look good. How's it, my Orchids and Fynbos friends? So I ended up doing another orchid haul, even though I said I wouldn't be doing one until September. There were two orchids I really wanted to get my hands on. So let's see what's inside the box. I've got some really cool orchids to show you guys. Ooh, these look really cool. So the first one that I want to show you is the Renantanda Stevie Boy. So this is a cross between Renanthera monarchica and the Vanda curvifolia. I've been really wanting to get my hands on more of the miniature or smaller size vandaceous orchids, which is what this order was specifically for. So these have beautiful red blooms, and I think there's even spotting in the background of the blooms. So really excited to have these. I've got one Renanthera already. It's a Renanthera citrina, so really happy to add this to the collection as well. I don't think I'm going to be using this basket. I think I will pot it up instead. My other Renanthera and Neophanetia fulcata are doing pretty well potted up, so I think I'll use the same setup for this one. So that is the Renantanda Stevie Boy. Also, when I saw the name being Stevie, my partner's name Stevie, I had to keep this orchid. There's another reason why I chose it. There aren't many Renanthera hybrids out there, but this is one of the cool ones. Then the next one which I ordered, which is a lot bigger than I was expecting, is the Renantanda Sunrise, which is a cross between Neophanetia fulcata, which is now Vanda fulcata, and the Renanthera inscutiana. I'm not going to keep this one bare root. I need to pot it up, so I'll have to figure out how to do that. So this one also has orange to red blooms, but the name Sunrise says it all. I'm really excited and happy to have this one, and I have a little keiki on the side there, and I may even have some attached roots, so I might try to separate this little keiki. We'll see how it goes. So very happy to add these to my collection of Renanthera and smaller vandaceous orchids, which now includes Renanthera citrina, Vanda christensoniana, the Renantanda Sunrise, and the Renantanda Stevie Boy. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Keep well, stay safe. Bye.